Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Now today I am going to be showing you the daddy of all disc cutters. Now this bad boy right here is the Evolution R300 DCT Plus disc cutter. It has got a dual-sided water delivery for effective dust suppression. Ooh, that sounds good. It can cut up to 115mm deep. That's more capacity than most leading petrol saws. Look at that 12-inch blade. Now it is a little bit dirty because I've been using it all week. If I'm going to review it, I am going to review it properly. If it's dog shit, I'll tell you. But this Evolution right here is the daddy of all disc cutters. It is electric powered, so no more pulling cords, no petrol and no servicing. But I don't just want to talk you through it and then explain in words how good it is. I'm going to show you how this bad boy works. So for all the health and safety boffins out there, I'm even going to plug in the water. It's got dust. You got to put the hose on. Don't worry, I'm going to do it. Let's have a look. Right, here we go. Let's get to work. Now, some extra features about this. It has got a 4-meter cable. 4 meters. Do you know how long that is? That's like 4,000mm. It comes with a large carry case. You know, have a look, have a word. But the best feature of them all, because you're always going to get the health and safety boffins out there, if you ain't got a hose handy, you've got a pump. Comes with this foot pump. Oh. So there we have it. The daddy of all daddy disc cutters. The Evolution. But I'm not just going to make this video without getting nothing out of it. If you want to treat yourself and get one of these bad boy disc cutters, go to the description, order one and use the discount code BRICKWORK and you will get 10% off. And if you don't want to buy one, then you're probably just a bit of a... Oh my god, look at this. My mates at Evolution have pulled through 300mm 12-inch electric disc cutter with dust suppression. Look at this. This looks the absolute bollocks. It's got a 4-meter cable as well. 200 watt. Jeez! That is unbelievable. Now, I've got to cut a window out, so let's put it to the test, yeah? And I'm going to be honest, if this is dog shit, I'm going to say. If it's the bollocks, I'll say. The beauty of this is, if you go to Evolution website and any disc cutter that you buy, if you put the code Brickwork in, you'll get 10% off. You'll also be doing me a massive favour, but also 10% off any disc cutter on the Evolution website. Let's put this to the test. What's good about this new feature, Alfie? About this, what's good about this new? What's good about this new disc cut is this new feature. Rather than keep smashing it around, you pull your handle and you can change your guard. That is unbelievable. Boom, so there we have it. I have used the new disc cutter. Did I get something out of this video? Yes, I did. I got a new disc cutter. But you will get 10% off if you follow the link in the description and use the code Brickwork. But honestly, my honest review of it, it is for £400. I've seen some on the market for up to 1,500 quid. You are getting no better. It is more powerful than a petrol grinder. It's got water supply. It is honestly a serious piece of kit. The only downside to it is that I wore a white Fred Perry t-shirt thinking I was a bad man, and I've absolutely fucked it up. But if I was you, I would get one anyway and just don't wear white Fred Perry. Thank you for watching, and I've got a real good video coming, you know. I think it's up there for my next video. I don't want to say too much in case somebody robs it, but it's sick. Watch the next video. Thank you for watching and see you later.